Hi, you guys. This is the look that we're going to be creating today, so let's get into it. Stay tuned. So I've already done my brows off camera, and I'm using the master concealer. I'm just going to put this all over my lid. CRAGER. I'm going to buff out the edges of this concealer so there isn't a harsh line. I'm going to use those 4 pink colors in the corner plus that purple one off to the side. And I'm just going to apply all the colors in a straight line, and then I'm going to blend them together.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm going to use these 2 blue shades. The dark blue I'm going to put on the outer corner, and the light blue I'm going to use to buff out the darker blue towards the top.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm going to bring the color up just a little bit, just so they're even on both sides. I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend all the colors together.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I'm laying glitter glue down on the lid, and I'm going to go back and forth between glitter glue and glitter till I get the desired outcome that I want.
Purchase your tracks today.
On top of the fine glitter, I'm going to lay down this chunky glitter, which is going to help give it another dimension to the whole look. Pro tip, if you're trying to get the fallout glitter off your face before applying your foundation, just use tape to help pick it up. Now I'm just going to speed through my foundation routine, but let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see my everyday makeup routine. All the colors that I used on my lid, I'm also going to use on my lower lash line. I went ahead and added lashes and a black lip off camera, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!